you stood that ground. So don't you never back down. Tomorrow's day, honey, make no mistake.